But so many of my clients always ask me, oh my God, how do you colour your own hair? And I was like, right, I'm just going to do a live and see how I go and show you guys what I do. So I've already done 3 foils on each side of my part and 3 at my crown. So this is like an ombre look that I'm doing. But last time I did it, I wanted the colour, besides the very underneath, if I can show you, I wanted all of my ends coloured. So I did a big block section of it. But this time I'm wanting to weave it so that it blends from being a block colour into my dark at the top with just having a few little foiled bits. And because I have a heavy fringe with almost, yeah, it's almost one colour. You can see there's a little bit of the colour on the ends from last time. So all I'm doing now is basically, sorry, hi guys, I am saying hi to these people that are jumping on. I don't know who they are, so give us a shout out or a wave or a comment or something like that. I'll keep an eye on it. But this is going to be going over my fringe, so I potentially may not be able to see in a minute. So yeah, just take a small section and then very carefully weave out real fine little bits and like that. Ooh. Thanks for joining, guys. I can see people popping on. Then we back comb. Oop. And try not to lose the bit that we're going to keep. So we're basically just back combing that down so that the little pieces within the pieces, if that makes sense, all these little bits, basically this creates an ombre look once I put the actual bleach on. So let's just see, I'll make this a little bit shorter. And we basically pop this, oh yeah, I'm definitely not going to be able to see. Okay, let's see how we go with this. I have to look in the mirror, guys, so just a sec, and then I'll turn it around so then you can see. And you just feather that on, and I'm just bringing it up a bit closer to the roots, but not totally on the roots, and then just leaving those little pieces out a bit. Oh yeah, this is very hard. Well, it wasn't hard before. This is the hardest part, is doing the fringe bit because I can't actually see it. So anyway, can you see that? So then what we do is just fold up, and then fold, and then peekaboo. It actually truly isn't that hard to do, to be honest, because people are always quite surprised when I say I colour and I cut my own hair. But hopefully you can hear me. I do have my earpiece in, so I'm hoping that that's acting as a nice little volume control there. So we're probably just going to do maybe just 2 more foils in here, because I still want to keep a bit of depth in here anyway. Hello. I can't see who it is. Oh, I think that's Resvin. Hi. So let's do the same, and we're just gonna piece out some little pieces. It is Resvin. Hello, I could see your comment. Hi, gorgeous girl. Okay. All right. So once I've woven, then again, we're just gonna give it a nice old tease. This is great when you brush it out later. Actually, it's not too bad, because see, this is the thing, right? Is that I swore I would never colour my hair after the last time I did it, because I almost had fairly natural hair but just had a semi on it. And then when I did bleach it, I regretted it straight away, because bleach is the most harmful product that we can put on our hair. So hang on guys, I just need to turn this way so I can see in the mirror. Yeah, and when I did it, because I had such nice shiny hair, I regretted it straight away, because it literally killed it. Even though I use a protection of the Curaflex, it literally dries the hair out, and I had like lots of frizzies and lots of split dead ends and all sorts of stuff going on, and I was like, oh my god, what have I just done to my hair? So I was a little bit regretting that. Anyway, now I have actually found some really awesome new products to use, and I'm excited because it's significantly changed my hair. So this will unfold over the coming weeks with me kind of letting you know a little bit more information. But if you do want to know what I am using on my hair now, then just PM me, because I could not believe the difference with my hair, even in the very first shampoo. So I'm super excited to be bringing on some new beautiful, beautiful products in the salon. And obviously there have been quite a few people in my December month that have experienced these products, whether I've used it on them or whether I've spoken about them or whatever. So yeah, if you've got an appointment with me, you'll be hearing about them. If you don't have appointments booked for next year now, please do, because I am actually booking into April now, because this is, obviously I'm crazy busy, and last year proved to me I had such a beautiful year with my clients, and we were booking at least 2 or 3 appointments ahead, and now I'm already booking into April, so we definitely want to get everyone in. I still do have some room for new clients as well. Just reading the comments, it's amazing how you can do your own foils. Yeah, well, no, God, no, I'm not doing a full head. I've only done 3 foils on each other part and 3 at the crown, and just 3 in my fringe here. So, yeah, no, the last time I did my hair and I did 3/4 of it, it killed my shoulders and my back. Even now I can feel my shoulders and everything, pulling a bit. So, yes. But actually, Resman, I do definitely, when I see you on, when am I seeing you? Tuesday, I think. Coming to get my facial from you. I will tell you about these products because you will love them. Alright, so last foil. And pop that on. So what I'll do is I will just post a photo much later today, because whilst this is processing, I am going to be doing a big clean out. We are actually cleaning out one of the rooms, one of the bedrooms in the house, because we are acquiring another child back here. Yeah, my partner's son's coming back home for a little bit, so yeah. Anyway, can't really see this one very well, but it's a good thing about the ombre is doing the teasing with it. You really can't stuff it too badly. Anyway, so I'll probably just come back later and there we go. Yeah, I'll pop a photo up of the after. I actually do have a back photo I took recently of my hair, so I might put that before and then put this as an after, so you guys can actually have a look. Am I working today? Hell no.